Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Rada, and today's video I'm so excited to introduce you to Ateliers Auguste and do unboxing and review this bag for you guys. I'm not sure if you guys have heard about this brand, but Ateliers Auguste is a Parisian brand, was created in 2012. They are very well known in contemporary bag with affordable price. All of their products are handcrafted in Italy with a high quality material, leathers. So if you guys are interested, I highly recommend to check them out. And just so you know, this is not sponsored or anything. I just got this as a gift and I am going to give you guys an honest review. For anyone who is looking for the brand new bag, I would recommend to watch this video first before you make a decision, because who knows, you might go with this bag. With that being said, let's get into the unboxing portion. So here we go. Let's just appreciate this beauty. This is the Mali handbag gold editions. I got this in black. If you follow me for a while, you would probably know that I love minimalist bag. There are two different sizes. This is a bigger versions, but they also come with the smaller size. So if you guys are interested in the smaller bag, this bag made with premium Italian craft leather, which is water resistant. Such a best suit for me because here in Oregon it's always raining, so this is definitely perfect for everyday bag. With the minimalist look, I go with the black ones, and it is actually in gold finish, which I love. Gold finish bag, it's very easy to pair with my gels. It just give a very good contrast. There is a Ateliers Auguste like on the hardware right here as well, just a tiny logo on the hardware, which I love. What I really like about this is the closure. You have to push it a little bit and then you can secure it. The interior is a cotton lining, which is very good. It's like an off-white kind of color. They also come with a strap as well, and this is why I go with this bag, because I feel like it is a plus if you can use the bag more than one functions. And this can be used for a top handle, or you can use it as a crossbody bag, so it is definitely worth it. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 holes that you can adjust. If I want to use this as a crossbody bag, we just attach this lobster crab with this. Is actually very cool design. I love using top handle and also like hanging this strap down here, because I feel like it looks very cool, like having some kind of strap out. You can adjust the strap to fit you. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys when I wear this as a crossbody bag. But right now, let's see what it fit inside, because I'm so curious. Now I have all of my essential right here, so we'll see if this gonna fit inside. Let me move this a little bit right here. I also want to try with the books too, to see if the books can fit in this bag. So let's put the book in this. Okay, so the book fits perfectly fine. And then we are going to put my wallet and then my sunglasses my phone. I also have my makeup bag, which I always carrying it with me. I do have a lot of goodies, and I also have my hand sanitizer, my key, my headphone, and also I want to try with the camera to see if this fits. I think this is pretty good amount of stuff because it's not too loose, it's not too tight, and it's still keep a very good like shape. I got all my essentials. Actually, it's beyond my essential because sometimes I don't need books, sometimes I don't need my cameras, but I just want to show you guys what it could fit in size, and I'm surprised that books can fit in this bag as well. So I think I have a very good feeling about this bag already. I have such a good impressions with this bag. I would say let's talk about the pro and the cons for now to see if I have anything I dislike about this bag. For the pro, obviously with the minimalist style, I can't go wrong with this bag. It's very spacious, which I love. Has so many rooms in the bag. Very easy to maintain since it is the water resistant leather. Boards, it is actually has a very good security. They are very easy to match with any outfit, and there are many ways you can use this bag. You can use it as a top handle. You can use it as a crossbody bag, which is a plus. Last but not least, this bag is very affordable. It's $629, which I think is worth the price. And the last thing is made with a very good quality leather, which I'm pretty sure is gonna have a long life of using. About the con of this bag, for now, as I can see, I probably have a little problem with the opening, like the crochet. This remind me of the Celine Bell bag micro, which is kind of like the same pattern of the opening, which is gonna be a little bit hard, even though it might be hard to open, but I think it has a very good security. I'm pretty sure once I use it, I will find out how annoying it might be. And yeah, that's it in this video, guys. If you guys like this video, please give me a like, subscribe, and that's gonna help me a lot. Leave it in the comments if you want me to style this bag, and I will probably do it in another video. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!